Okay guys, so I know I look bad, okay? I have the same clothes on since yesterday. I am going to take a bath, but I wanted to let you know how my day is going. It's the next morning, and as you can tell, we have light still at my brother's house. And I feel so bad for the families who do not have electricity or running water. I mean, that's happening for us, but luckily we have somewhere to go. And a lot of people don't have anywhere to go due to this snowstorm in Texas. I am going to call my brother DeAndre and see, because I know last night he was looking for a hotel. I'm gonna, hopefully he answers the phone.
Call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message.
So he didn't answer. Like, I guess my cousin. I've just been checking up on everybody, trying to make sure if they're okay. Shut I am recording you, just letting you know. Okay, I'm just calling to add a, I'm just calling to just get a status update on like your situation. Like, is it, did your lights ever come back on?
No.
No? Oh crap. Okay, what about your mom?
Yeah, they came on and went on.
Yeah, that's what happened to us last night. But we're at Dara's house right now. We okay, but there's a lot of people that don't have electricity still out here or running water. Y'all don't have any water running, huh?
No, I got water.
You have water running? Okay. Okay. Well, that's all I wanted to do was just check up on y'all, see how y'all were doing. I know it's probably really cold last night, huh? Okay, that's good.
Barry is still not able to come back?
No, he's gonna have to wait till Friday to get back.
Friday?
That's the only yeah, they had to borrow money from me. The flights are not going straight to San Antonio. Like they were able to come today, but they would have had for me to drive to Austin. That was the only flight. There was no flights coming to San Antonio. And you know we can't drive. Yeah, it's bad. That's like a 45-minute drive from my house. Like from here to the airport in Austin. The roads are still bad right now. Is the roads bad in Houston?
It's raining right now.
Okay, is it like snowing or no?
No, it's not snowing. It's raining right now. But we don't know if it's gonna freeze over.
Yeah.
Might sleep because it's cold.
I know you didn't go to work today. Is anybody at work?
The post office. He goes and do everything. He goes pray to God that I come to work.
I'm gonna talk with y'all later.
Okay.
Okay, bye. So we all asleep. We're all asleep, and Jesse's asleep. Trying to stay warm, y'all. Again, my brother has electricity, so we did okay. And baby girl, I'm about to go feed her. Kingsley just woke up. Alright guys, I'm gonna go feed Arabella and I will get back with you. This is my mom. See, hey mom.
I am looking real.
Look at me. Look at me. There's, hey, just giving you an update that your cable is going in and out of signal. Internet looks to seem to be okay right now, but we hoping that we don't lose power.
And I'm like, online it works.
It's freezing up. Oh Jesus. And the lights haven't came on at my house. I don't know about mama, but it haven't came on in my house. I checked my Ring doorbell. And Stephanie out of power too. Stephanie and Howard, I saw they Snapchat and they out of power too.
But they should be last day like craziness, right? It should be getting better tomorrow, right? Everything.
No, they're having another storm coming tonight.
They have
another storm coming tonight.
Snow explosive. It's supposed to.
Yes, it's getting like bad. I don't know. And nobody has no electricity. There's a lot of people that don't have it still.
They open up shelters.
Yeah.
Schools and what's the Alamo Dome? I think I saw that in the text. But they're opening up different shelters around San Antonio for people to go in for safety.
Yeah, and there's no food at the grocery store. People are like, I'm looking on social media, then it took all the groceries at the store. The lines are super long. It's like COVID with the whole lines, but ain't nobody trying to be far away from each other. Everybody close together. It's cold outside.
Yeah.
We just relying on your house. Honestly, I don't know where we would go if we didn't have your house. Ain't nobody got electricity.
Yeah, I hope that everything stay on there. At least the electricity on the cable. I mean,
I know, that's fine. It's fine. I'm just hoping, you know, but it's kind of intermittent, like going in and out.
So y'all can just watch the fire stick, I guess.
They're talking about in Chicago, like Texas is over exaggerating. I'm like, no, we're not.
We're
Like
not used to
people. I'm like,
I see them going on Facebook just a minute ago. I saw that.
people pipes are bursting. Like a lot of people, water is coming from the ceiling.
We don't have our house is not built like theirs in the north, and plus we don't even have snow tires. We have all season summer tires on our tires, our car tires. But
See, the signal just went out again in the cable. We were saying that the cable just went out again.
But you know what? It's a lot of hotels don't have electricity in Houston too.
Yeah, but Dandre said that downtown had electricity, and he was trying to go to those with the kids. But I think Dandre said that he was at Nikki's house, and they don't. No, I think that he was at Nikki's house because I talked to Carrie, and Carrie's at DeAndre's house now. They're at their house. But I tried to call them this morning. They didn't answer, so I'll try to call them in a little bit again.
So I called Daddy, and they don't have power either.
Oh,
Daddy, they don't have power.
Oh, Daddy don't have
water.
Sade went out of power too, Darius, yesterday. She did have power. She out. LaRon Dion at her house.
But they out of power though.
They out of power, yeah.
Like, so everybody out of power.
Yeah, everybody out of power.
And I'm so glad I came over here because I have a sore throat and my head and a runny nose. So
I don't know why they can't like what's going on with this power grid? Why they can't get it going? Like
I
the
don't.
power lines stuck.
Hello?
Hey, Franchella. I was just calling to check up on you guys. Did y'all find a hotel?
Shelter booked up.
Oh, man. So y'all, did y'all power come back up at least?
Yeah, for like an hour and it went off.
Oh, my goodness. Where was it? What time was that? Do you remember?
Yeah, so it was around like 11:30 at night.
Oh, my gosh.
But then it went off again around like 1.
Oh, wow. I bet y'all were like rushing to put the heat on.
Yeah, I turned everything on. DeAndre was taking the kids back to the house. Back to their house. Their power came on, but then theirs just went out again.
Oh my goodness. Not leaking, right? Like the pipes?
One of the, I guess it bust.
Like outside or inside the house?
Outside.
Okay. I mean, that's not good, but it's better than it being inside the house. It's already cold. Okay, so this is Texas right now. Ice has melted, but they're predicting another like snowstorm coming this way tonight. So it's gonna be snowing again. But we're gonna go and check on the house to see, just because we don't have any electricity at our house right now, so we want to make sure like the house is good, like nobody broke into the house. But like the ice is melting. You can see it's still some ice right there in my brother's grass, like some ice in there, but it's not like a lot of it. So the roads are a little better now outside, so we're gonna head back home right now. I'm waiting for Jesse. It's freezing outside. He's taking forever to come out. So we are back at home. Oh, what's the temperature in here? Oh shoot, it's not even working, the thermostat.
No electricity.
Yeah, like it doesn't work. It's cold in here though. Electricity is still out. this is definitely over 24 hours now at this point. The snow has melted, but they still have not turned the lights back on.
It smells a little bit.
Do we have water? Okay, water came back in now. The water was out. It stinks in here. If something went bad.
We can take these and see if they smell. Do they smell?
I don't know.
They bad? Are they good?
Yeah, I think they went bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't want it to smell the refrigerator.
What about that chicken?
This is probably bad because you had it out.
No, this is fine.
You wanna
You gotta check the deep freezer too.
take this with us?
I'm going to go. I know I look bad, y'all, but we're really going through some real life stuff right now. I'm going to oh, my picture frame look like it been knocked over. It's definitely cold. I'm gonna get another pair of clothes for the kiddos and for me and Jesse, because we don't know how long this is gonna last, us being out of power. This is just insane. Okay guys, so it is freezing in the house. The thermostat is not working, so I don't even know how cold it is inside the house, but it's cold. I can tell you that it's cold. My hands are frozen. Yeah, I don't know why the lights haven't came back on, which is really like pissing me off, because I want to go back home. I mean, thank God that I have a place to stay at, but it's just not the same as when you're at home. I want my life to get back to normal. I don't like this. It's just freezing. Like, I'm literally looking at my neighborhood and no one's really home. No one's really home. I think everybody done ditched the neighborhood because it's too freaking cold. This is insane. Like, how do they expect us to live like this? Like, this is freaking messed up. My hands are cold. I'm over it. I want this to end already. I don't know what to do. And I see another neighbor leaving the house right now. It's like, what do you do? It's like, what do you do? Guys, pray for Texas right now. This is insane. And I'm just tired. I just want to just go lay down. But every time I lay down, I just see something else that happens on the news. And it just makes me like not sleep. This is like the worst 3 days. This has been happening since Monday. But for us, the power didn't go out until Tuesday. So, I don't know. I'll let you guys know if we see anything else. I'm probably gonna ask Jesse just to drive around before we go home, just so I can get myself out of the house, because I'm a person who, like, when I'm in the house all day, I start to go crazy, and I don't want to go crazy right now. I'm trying to like get myself into like, okay, this is my reality. I just got to deal with this until Friday. Hopefully the outage is over with by then, and that way we can go back home. Hopefully. I pray to God. But yeah guys, I will talk with you later. Hopefully we can come back home tonight, but who knows. If the lights do come on, knowing my husband, he ain't gonna want to come back home because of what happened to us last time. When we came home, the lights was only on for 15 minutes. So I feel like if the lights do come on, we would have to monitor the lights for like five hours. Okay guys, so this is the produce right now. It's actually a good amount of produce left at the store. Some stuff is out, but for a good amount of stuff is still here. We need some I doubt if it's water.
Oh, we have water at home.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a soda.
The candy is over here.
What?
The candy is over here.
If you want to go to the candy.
Everything's gone, baby. There's no soda. No soda.
Here.
All gone. Gosh, the produce is gone. The produce. Yeah, I'm gonna go through here real quick. I'm waiting. I can't bypass them like that. I'm trying to think of what candy I want. Yeah, that's it.
They had 8. You had 8.
That's good.
I said, yeah, 8's fine.
Jesse, chips are right here. You know what? Where is the other chips at? They don't have it. Okay. Alright guys, this is the bread aisle at the store. Nothing. Nothing, absolutely nothing. I'm just recording this moment.
Is there sausage that you need?
I'm good, baby, on sausage. We don't really need any food that needs to be. That's about it. I mean, milk. Can we get milk if we have any? Nah, milk's gone. Milk went bad. Huh? No. That's buttermilk. It is literally nothing. There's no eggs at all. He's just not gonna have any cereals. I was trying to get him milk for cereals. Can I go over here? All the tissue paper's almost gone. Woo! Jackpot. Clearance.
Hopefully they go through.
Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, when I tell you it is cold out here. We just left HEB. That's the line. Line is, it's cold. The line's not as bad, but I'm about to help Jesse put some of this groceries in the car. Dan's gonna have like so much groceries. Okay, let me. Alright guys, so I am back at my brother's house because our powers still have yet to come on. My mom's still here too. Her power is like going in and out, so she's having definitely rolling power in her neighborhood. I don't even think our power ever came back on because I kept checking my security cameras and I did not see it. So it's just crazy out there. You guys just stay safe if you are in Texas right now. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video of how it is right now in Texas. Luckily, we have electricity and, you know, internet. Thank God for that, so I can be able to post these videos for you guys so you know exactly what we're going through right now. Hopefully, we have electricity tomorrow because I really want to go back home. I'm ready to go to sleep in my own bed. But hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And here's baby Arabella. Hi, baby Arabella. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Arabella. Arabella. Hey, poo poo. You're so hungry. Yeah, look at her. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. That's my baby. I love you. I love you. Yeah. I love my baby. I love my baby. So yeah, guys, I'm at my brother's house like I mentioned to you because the fact that I have 2 small kids and I can't have them freezing cold in the house. Like if it was just me, I would have been still at home. But thank God we have a place to allow the kids to stay warm. So I will go ahead and talk to you guys later, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos. Okay guys, I do post every Tuesday, but I am posting a journey of what's going on right now. So these are bonus video clips that I'm posting right now. So that is the reason why it kind of seems like I'm posting every day kind of feel, but I'm really not. So all right, deuces guys, I'll talk with you later. Bye.